So a veneer procedure entails shaping the tooth so that you can replace it with the appropriate amount of porcelain. So let's just say you have a small tooth with a space between the adjacent teeth. In that case, it's more of an additive procedure because you're adding enamel to the tooth, so you would take away very little, if any, tooth structure. If you have teeth that are out of place, maybe a little bit bulky or a little bit rotated, where you could have an orthodontic solution, or you could do something like veneers to do what we call instant orthodontics, where you can shape the teeth, take away where it's a little bit bulky, add where it's a little deficient, and replace it with porcelain. That is a good situation to do veneers, but in that case, you do have to take tooth structure away. The important thing is how much is taken away, and what I'd really like my patients to know is we're really judicious. When I say we, those of us who are doing veneers on a regular basis, very judicious on trying to take away tooth structure but not get into the interior of the tooth, which is known as dentin. We try to stay 100% in your enamel, and that is a huge indicator for long-term success.